Hi everybody, what are today's messages? Let's pick one of these today. Move your thoughts to a small cottage. Close your eyes and think of a small cottage. Move towards the cottage. Open the door and let your thoughts flow into the cottage. Let them flow as pictures, colors, and words. When you're done, close the door and breathe deep 3 times. Now, when you open the door, you can choose which thoughts to take with you and which to leave behind. Remember to close the door before you leave. Stress arises from thoughts that put strain first on the mind and then the body. By breaking free from thoughts that don't do you good, you give your mind and body rest and allow yourself to be more present. Alrighty, which envelope shall we pick today? Let's pick the strawberry one. You inspire me to be nothing like you. You're really cute, and that's not even the best thing about you. Character is how you treat those who can do nothing for you. You will make it through this, and it will make you stronger. And the last one today, I forgive myself for having a bad day. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.